In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Jira, whether you're a project manager, team member, or someone new to Jira. Following these steps will help you efficiently manage your tasks in this powerful tool. To begin, let's head over to the platform by opening your web browser and navigating to Atlassian's website. Once you're there, look for the Sign In button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. When you spot it, go ahead and click on it. If you have your login credentials handy, enter them now. Remember, keeping your password secure and unique is crucial, especially when dealing with project management software like Jira, where a lot of critical information is stored. After successfully logging in, you'll need to head over to your Jira homepage. You'll find a link directing you to the Jira home from the Atlassian products page. Once you land on your Jira home, it's time to navigate to the project area where you want to create this task. Select the project you want to work on. You should see a list of your current projects, and from there, select the relevant one where the new task is to be created. Now, this step is important because having tasks organized in the right projects aids in better workflow and tracking. Once you're inside your desired project, the next step is to head over to the board. Look for a section or a tab typically labeled Board. Clicking it will bring you to the project board, where you can view the existing tasks and create new ones. In this view, you'll want to locate the Create button, a central feature for adding new items to your workflow in Jira. Clicking this button will bring up a new dialog or form where you'll fill in the details of the task you aim to create. Here, you'll have to enter several key details like the summary, which is a brief title describing the task, and the description, where you can elaborate further on what this task entails. You may also assign it to a team member and set priority levels, among other things. Take your time to fill it out with as much information as necessary, as this will help clarify the task for everyone involved and ensure smooth progress when it comes to actioning this task. And that's it. You've just created a task in Jira, ready to be assigned, tracked, and completed. It's as straightforward as that. Jira is a robust tool, and mastering these basics will help you stay organized and efficient in handling your projects. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes your experience with Jira a smooth one. Happy project managing!